Welcome to this intentional time management course. My name is Emilio José García and I am very happy to see you here. In this course, you are going to learn a practical, flexible, and intentional recipe to master the way you use your time and your energy. You will discover your true intentions, how to gain clarity through understanding your frustrations, and how to accept your current situation so that you can step into new possibilities. This course will help you understand the physical, mental, and emotional dimensions of time management so that you can overcome your resistance, your procrastination, and your perfectionism. You will also learn the best time management practices that will allow you to create new habits and new routines that will support the life that you really want to live. And lastly, you will learn healthy ways to set boundaries, deal with interruptions, and communicate clearly with others. If this sounds good to you, I cannot wait to see you inside the course. I will be supporting you in the course classroom, where you can ask any questions that you may have at the end of every session. I can't wait to see you inside. Until then, I hope you have an amazing rest of your day. Adiós.